If you're here, you're probably facing an issue with not receiving your Supercell ID verification code. Don't worry, you're not alone, and we've got you covered. In today's video, I'll walk you through some easy steps to fix this issue. So let's get started. First things first, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection might prevent the verification code from being sent or received. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Next, double check that you've entered the correct email address associated with your Supercell ID. Even a small typo can prevent the code from being sent. Go to the Supercell ID login screen and ensure your email is correct. Sometimes the verification email might end up in your spam or junk folder. Open your email app and navigate to these folders. See if the verification you sent email is there. And if you find it, mark it as not spam to ensure future emails go to your inbox. If you still haven't received the code, try resending it. On the Supercell ID screen, there should be an option to resend code. Tap it and wait a few minutes to see if the new code arrives. If you've tried all these steps and still haven't received the code, it might be time to contact Supercell support. And there you have it. By following the steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of not receiving your Supercell ID verification code.